Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby, do you know?
Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about a new synthetic wig that I'm really excited about. So I'm glad to be bringing you guys another one, and I think she's going to be really dope. So yeah, this video is sponsored by Glamourtress. So thank you so much, Glamourtress, for sending over this unit. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright you guys, so the unit that I have for you all today is called VERA, and this is VERA. This is in 613, but I did get her in the teal color. So this color is TT1B DTeal. And this is what the unit looks like from the back. This is a part of the Yara family from Bobbi Boss. So Yara was the first wig. This one started off this whole collection of like Yaki bobs. Of all the wigs in the Yara family, the only one that I have actually liked is Lena. And I've tried a few of the other ones, but I was not a fan of Yara. It doesn't really work well for my face shape and for my hairline. Middle parts are extremely difficult for me to wear because I do have a widow's peak. So yeah, but let me stop rambling. I'm going to show you VERA. So this is what VERA looks like in the dark teal, and y'all, this color is just giving me so much life. I've had this color before in the wig Mignon, and I was just obsessed. Mignon was also a bob wig and a side part at that, so I already have a feeling I'm gonna like VERA. I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on, but first I want to show you the cap construction. So VERA is a lace front. You have lace all around the edge. You do have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and you do have your curved side part as well. Let's see what the parting space looks like on here. So the parting space looks pretty decent. May only just need some powder. Definitely don't need to pluck any hairs out of that, in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on. I already did cut the lace off. So VERA is fitting really well on my hairline. The texture of VERA is exactly like Lena. Even the curl, like the bump under for VERA, is exactly like Lena as well. And I definitely did like the texture of Lena and the bump of Lena. So let me go ahead and just brush this down. So I will say this unit definitely has filler hairs here to give you more volume right here in the front and around the part. I can understand more volume in the front, but I don't really understand more volume like all the way going back to the back of the part. But I'm definitely not mad at this bob. I really, really love it. The color is to die. And yeah, I'm feeling this one, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take the extra step to go ahead and trim baby hairs into this unit, and I'm going to go ahead and lay my yes, honey, you better slay. Ooh, before I even lay the baby hairs down, like, you better come on with this multi-dimensional, multifaceted color. All right. I see you, VERA. You better come correctly. I love this wig. I already had a feeling I would, because like I said, again, I do have a widow's peak, and you can see if this was a middle part, I would definitely be struggling right now. But since it's a side part, I can easily disguise that. And yeah, this one is a whole vibe. A whole entire feeling. Okay, feelings, nothing more than feelings. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to lay the baby hairs down and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and trimmed some baby hairs into the unit and laid them down just with some edge control. This is my favorite. It's Ebon Edge Control. It's the 24-hour, and there is a link for all my faves in the information box down below. You can find all of my faves there. My favorite blow dryer, my favorite flat iron, my favorite edge control. People ask me all the time, what is your favorite edge control? What is your favorite this and that? And it's always in the information box down below. So yeah, you guys, I love this unit. I'm obsessed with this color. This color is great for like nighttime, evening type of vibes. I definitely feel like it's a whole date night type of look. Like you just come in to slay and just crush the game. It's definitely going to be a subtle color at night. During the daytime, you're really going to be able to see the dimensions in the color, and the wig is just so effortless. It's everyday. You don't even need the baby hairs, honestly. It's the perfect length. It's perfect for summer. It's not going to be too hot for you. The only thing is that it does have the filler hairs, so you know the cap is a little full right here. You may not like that. I personally don't mind it. I think it's actually very chic looking, and yeah, I just love it. The texture is amazing. The cut is to perfection. I really don't have any downsides to this unit. I knew I would love it, and you know, it's not letting me down. Some of the other wigs in the Yara collection, I'll be honest, were not my cup of tea. Yara long, regular Yara, just not my thing. But this and Lena are definitely my favorites from the Yara collection. So, all right, you guys, let me know if you have any questions. If you like to grab this wig, you can get it from glamourtress.com. I'll leave a link down in the information box down below, and make sure you're checking me out on all my social media at JessTheDragoness on Instagram and on Facebook, and make sure you're connected with me from all my events. I do have a bomb event coming up in the DMV area. If you are in the Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia area, make sure you come out. We are having a hair slaying happy hour. Well, I will be showing you guys 2 wigs, how to slay your wigs in less than 15 minutes. Perfect for anyone who just wants to learn how to pop a wig on and within 15 minutes be out the door for work, for a party, for events, whatever it is. If you just getting into wigs, or if you just need to know what are 2 really great wigs to just throw on, 15 minutes later walk out the door and look fabulous. So make sure you guys come out. We are featuring a bunch of different entrepreneurs in the DMV area, bloggers, YouTubers, people on Instagram, beauty people, and all different types of fields. And we will have some shopping available for you all. We have an award-winning chef cooking us some food. We have amazing bakers on hand that will be serving up some of their amazing sweet treats. And we have a local rum company that will be giving us drinks for an open bar. So I can't wait to see you guys at the Hair Slaying Happy Hour. Look in the information box down below so you can grab your tickets today. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. And make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos, because they are so lit.
We know you say you do, but this is how you show love. You're so rough, lips so soft, but your love is so tough. So baby, is this not enough? If this is how you love, then I don't know, Lord. Why this I love you so hard? Why the hell me I be